Here's a quick guide on how to get started with Claude skills for SEO and marketing related work. So I often create and share Claude skills, and a lot of people actually ask me, how do I use these? So this will walk you through how to do that real quick. So first up, a Claude skill is basically something that you have taught Claude how to do. So if you type in / here on your Claude chat, you'll see a couple skills pop up. And I have a bunch in here, but you should have a few default ones. And a skill is basically just a markdown file that tells Claude how to do a certain task. So if you don't have any skills or you want to see what skills you do have, you just go to Claude chat. So I'm in claude.ai and you just go to customize. And you can do this from the Claude desktop app as well. It's the same interface. So you just go to customize and you go to skills, and you'll see what skills you have available. And I'll walk you through this one real quick here. This is called a champion page consolidator skill. So this is a custom skill that I taught Claude, and I actually used the skill creator skill to create this. And I'm going to end up saying skill a lot in this video, so bear with me. So what this does is basically it walks Claude through how to perform a cannibalization analysis and figure out which pages should be the champion pages that deserve to rank. And this is a specific process that I do in my own day-to-day SEO work. And I've basically worked with Claude to turn this into a process. So when I say use the champion page consolidator skill, or if I just say something like help me consolidate these pages, it's likely going to pull up this skill in a chat. And you can see it's full of instructions and example outputs. So I didn't write all this by hand. I basically just talked to Claude and it helps me figure out exactly what the skill should look like. So once you have a skill, you can try it in a chat. So let's go over here and you can see I have the champion page consolidator skill pulled up. It's highlighted blue, so that's how you know that the skill has been pulled in. And then you can say whatever you want and it'll pull it up. You don't have to do the / command every time you want to do a skill. Claude by default will pull up skills when it thinks it's relevant. However, if you want to guarantee that it uses a skill, it's better to just use the / command. So once you start a chat and you tell it to use a skill, the first thing that it's going to do is read those files. Once it has read the files, it can help you with that specific skill. So going back to the customize page here, if you don't have skills and you're downloading them from other sources and you want to upload your skill, all you have to do is click this little plus icon up here, and you can either go browse skills, so you can find other skills that people have made, or you can create a skill, which involves either creating it with Claude, writing it all manually yourself, or uploading a skill. So if you're uploading a skill that you've downloaded from somewhere, this is what you want to do. You want to hit upload. And then you drop in the skill file that you've downloaded. Skill files do have to be formatted a certain way. So if you have any issues with the skill you're trying to upload, you can actually just copy paste it into a Claude chat and it'll help you turn it into a working skill. Once you have a skill that you've pulled up and you're working on within a chat, you can progress through the skill, or you can even edit the skill. If at any point you're not happy with the skill's output, you can actually customize it. So if you say something like, help me customize this skill, it'll say, got it. And then it will probably start asking you questions about what you want to change. So now it's asking me, what's my issue with the skill that I want to change? And in this example, I'm just telling it to make a minor change so that I can demo skill updating. And how it works with Claude is it actually makes a copy of the skill. And then when it's done, you overwrite your existing skill. So in this example, it's just changing the version from 1 to 1.01. In your case, it would have made any changes that you're requesting. And then you just hit save skill here, and it'll ask you if you want to upload and replace the skill, which you want to do. Now, if I go back to that skill, I can see it's version 1.0.1. Now let's talk about why you'd actually want to use skills in the first place. Skills are industry standard. So they don't work purely for Claude, they can work for other AIs as well. When you have a skill, you can describe a step-by-step workflow. You can provide the reasoning and the decision-making behind why it has to be done a certain way. And you can ensure that you're going to get a consistent output by using this skill in other chats. You can specify what the skill takes as an input. You can specify the process that it follows, which can easily be a multi-step process. It doesn't have to be a one-shot output. And within your skills, you can even call tools. So you can specify that step 5 would be to check your Ahrefs, MCP, or whatever tools you're using. And then you can specify what the output should look like and what the output format should be. Claude Chat can create markdown files, spreadsheets, you name it. So let me show you an example of a skill in action. This is a skill that I made called Query Deserves Page, and it's an SEO skill that turns a bunch of keywords into an organized list of what unique pages should be made. So to use it, I'm just going to grab a bunch of keywords. I'm pulling up RACI from Keywords Explorer, and I have a bunch of keywords related to RACI, R-A-C-I, which is a project management term. You can see we have a bunch of keywords like RACI chart, RACI meaning, RACI framework. So we need a quick and easy way to figure out if these should all be separate pages and which keywords can go on the same page. So all I have to do is copy these keywords. I'll grab 50 as an example and paste it in. So I'm calling the skill, I'm providing some keywords, and then I just hit enter. And now it's following its step-by-step process to load the methodology and then apply the skill on this set of keywords. And now it's following its step-by-step process to deduplicate the keywords. Then phase 2, it's going to do live SERP research using its web search features. So Claude Chat has built-in web search, and it can easily just do its own research to figure out what pages deserve to exist. And while it's not exactly the same as Google search, it still does a pretty good job. Now it's on phase 2, working its way through some cross-group SERP overlap and creating the final page set, and then it'll turn it into a report for me. And this whole skill is following the exact same framework that I use to do this manually. So basically it's just automating a tedious step for me. But for other people who don't have this level of expertise doing SERP research, it also allows me to crystallize what I've learned into a skill that other people can use without really having to understand it on their end. So this allows you to help other people, whether they're clients or people on your team, get the same outputs that you would do manually just by handing them a skill. And here's the final output. It shows what was consolidated, and it has a list of unique pages. What is a RACI matrix? It even breaks it down into headings for me. And here's another page, DACI versus RACI. And based on all of those keywords, it found that I only really need to make 2 unique pages, which means that terms like RACI, RACI chart matrix were all keywords that can go on the same page. That makes perfect sense to me, but for someone who is not as experienced in SEO, they might not know that, and they might end up making multiple pages. So hopefully this gives you an idea of how powerful skills are. You can use them to speed up and automate your own work, or share your knowledge and skills with other people, whether they're teammates or clients, or basically anybody that you're helping with your knowledge and experience. Now, the coolest part about skills is you can create your own really easily. If you go back into the customize section, you'll see that your Claude account has a built-in skill creator skill. So if you want to make your own skills, you can do it really easily. And the built-in skill creator skill is actually really comprehensive if you dig into it. It has tons of files and guidance to help you make excellent skills. To use it, you just have to pull it up in a chat and say something like, help me make a skill. It will then read the skill, and it's going to work with you and ask you questions to help you create a skill. The skill that you want to make can be about literally anything. So I'll do an example like help me create a skill that uses the Ahrefs MCP to turn keyword ideas into real keywords with search volume. And it'll ask me some questions about what I want to see. It could be a spreadsheet, it could be a markdown file, it could be any kind of output that I want. So now it's done and it's created a first draft of the skill. So now I'll test it out and I'll say, help me find keywords for RACI. And basically it's going to come up with some seed keywords. And now it's using my Ahrefs MCP to do keyword research and find the search volume and matching keywords from these seeds that it came up with. It also built in a volume floor, so it won't show anything under 10 search volume, and it's using the USA as its default country, which I could change if I specified it. As it's working its way through the process that it created, it found that running all seeds can often be a waste of API credits. So it mentioned that these were basically surfacing the same related keywords. So when it's done, we'll actually add that as feedback to revise and improve the skill. Right now, it's building the table out, so we'll see what it looks like when it's done. So here's the finalized output. It gave almost 100 keywords and some notes on the overall output, and it even suggests its own feedback on how it would improve this skill. And it gives me options. So let's go apply fixes, skip retest, and package it. And again, you can always pull up this skill and edit it anytime you want to add more steps to the process or refine its output. And now it's done creating the skill. It's got some do's and don'ts, some steps, how to use the MCP properly, and how to create the output without issues. It also applied some fixes from its own testing. So all I have to do is save this skill, and now it'll add it to my Claude AI skills list. And if you ever want to share your skills with other people, it's really easy. You just go into your skill, click on these little dots, and you hit download. And then it gets downloaded as a skill file that anybody else can upload into their Claude or whatever AI they're using. The beauty of using skills is that it's an industry standard way of teaching AI how to do organized work. So even if you start by building out skills with Claude, and in the future a new platform comes along, for example, let's say you want to try OpenClaw or Hermes Agent, both of those accept skills, so you can easily migrate your skills over to the next platform. You can also copy them over to Claude Code or pretty much any harness that uses skills, and most of them do. So that is a quick and easy guide on using skills. It's really easy to get started. It's easy to use skills, create them, download them, upload them, and modify them and improve them. And because it's an industry standard, it's easy to move your skills from one platform to the next. But by far the easiest way to make skills is using Claude's skill creator skill. If you want to get a bunch of skills specific to AI search, you can join the AI SEO operators group on School. It's free to join, and there's over 3,000 members. There's tons of useful guides and workflows and skills in here. And in this group, I share lots of these custom built skills that I use in my own day-to-day work. So all you have to do is upload them into your own Claude, and you can start using them right away.